Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to export project in new workspace. So just follow all these steps simply. You can see this is the main interface of Asana. So first of all, what we need to do, click on this button. Now click on export, Scenic to calendar CSV. Now we will first export project. Now you can see our project is downloaded. Just click on this button. Now select a CSV file to import. Now simply drag this to here. Now you will click on the go to project. Now you can see our project is being imported. So finally you can check our project is exported on new workspace. So in this way you can easily export a project on new workspace.